This is Matt from the Lead Scrape support team. Today in this quick video, I will show you how to run a search in our software and the different options you have to help you generate new leads. First, you need to select the industry you want to get leads from. The software supports any kind of B2B business. You can start and type in the input box, and the drop-down will show you some suggestions. These are just suggestions. You can use a business type that doesn't show in the drop-down. Once you selected the industry, you need to select the location. In the standard version, you need to select a city. In the business version, you can select a region or a state. Again, simply start typing, and the software will show you some suggestions based on the country you selected. If you change country, it will show you suggestions for that country. Now you can select some options for additional data you may want aside of the usual company name, address, website, and social media links. Usually the most common one used is emails and contacts. This will add to the lists of businesses the company email and some contacts working at those companies, together with the email of those contacts. Verify emails enables email verification to check if the collected email addresses are valid and active. This helps improve the quality of your lead list by filtering out invalid emails. Advertising and Tech Stack collects information about the technologies and advertising platforms used by the target businesses. Reviews and Ratings gathers customer business ratings. This data can help you understand a company's reputation and customer satisfaction levels. SEO data collects search engine optimization data, including website rankings, keywords, and SEO metrics. Valuable for agencies offering SEO services or competitive analysis. Please note that selecting additional options beyond emails and contacts will increase the scraping time but provide more comprehensive data. Choose options based on your specific lead generation needs. Once you have selected the industry, location, and desired options, simply click the Search Companies button to start the scraping process. The completion time varies depending on the industry selected, the size of the city, and any additional options you chose at the beginning.